Hey guys, Panoramic Gaming here. Me, Core4, and DSYR Warrior on Glitch Squad Sundays. We're just about to do a giant glitch with C4 and a quad bike. Core4, you ready? Also known as Derp Gaming. Giving a shout out. Subscribe to him. Alright. Core4. Goodbye. They're just gone. They're over there. See them? They're just gone. They are 100% gone. And they survived. So, no, don't look at my personal. Alright. As you guys can tell, this glitch is overpowered. You can just fly across the map in seconds. Alright. I will shoot another clip just so you guys can see it from first-person view. Hey guys, Panoramic Gaming back here. Alright, time for the first-person view. Brody, launch us. Dude, this is going to go in a montage. Lift off. And as you can see, we are flying in a quad bike. And now it's time to go outside of the battlefield. Yep. That is flying quad bikes, everybody. Please like, comment, subscribe. Panoramic Gaming.